Hello students, welcome to class 7 maths. Today we are going to continue our lesson number 6, triangles and its properties. What is the with exercise 6.2? What is the first question here? Find the value of unknown exterior angles x in the following diagram. Here we are having some diagrams, from that we have to find exterior angles. Okay, and two angles are given, but in exterior angle is not given, that is x. While we discussed in introduction, we know that exterior angle means what we will do. First we will find out exterior angle, that is value of x we find out. Okay, two angles are given. Now we will start finding angle x. Using the exterior angle property of a triangle, we find out the value of exterior angle in each figure. Okay, so in this figure one angle 50 degrees and other angle 70 degrees. So angle x we don't know. So what is the angle x? According to the property, these two angles are interior angles we have to add. So add now. Angle x is equal to 50 degrees plus 70 degrees. So angle x how much coming? 50 plus 70. How much? 50 plus 70, 120 degrees. This is the angle of x. This is here 120 degrees. Okay. Now next one, see. Here also two angles given and we have to find out the exterior angle. According to exterior angle property, we have to add the interior angles. Okay. Now add angle x is equal to 65 degrees plus 45 degrees. Now add 65, 45, 10, 1, 6, 4, 10, 11. 110 degrees. Now angle x how much there? 110 degrees. Okay. Now next one. See third one also, here we are having two angles. We have to find the exterior angle. So exterior angle equal to sum of interior angles, means 30 degrees plus 40 degrees. Then angle x how much it will come? 30 plus 40 is 70 degrees. So here angle x how much there? Here 70 degrees. Now next one, here see fourth one. Here also two angles are given. We have to find the exterior angle. According to the property, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angle 60 plus 60. So angle x is equal to how many degrees? 120 degrees. This is the exterior angle and value. Okay. Now same next one. Here also we have to find out exterior angle. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior angles, means 50 degrees plus 50 degrees. So exterior angle x is equal to how much? 100 degrees. So here exterior angle how much? 100 degrees. Okay. Now same here also we have to find out the exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angles, 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. Then angle x how much it will come? 90 degrees. So exterior angle how much there? Here 90 degrees. Okay. Now next question, find the value of unknown interior angles x in the following figures. Here also we are having some figures. We have to find x values, but that is inside the triangle, that is interior angle. Before question what we did, we find out exterior angle. Here we have to find out interior angle. Okay. So x is the measure, one of the interior opposite angle. Okay. Now from the formula, from the property, what we will do? What we will write here? Therefore x is equal to measures of the exterior angle minus measure of the other interior opposite angles. Okay. So x is equal to measure of exterior angle how much? 115 degrees minus the measure of other opposite angle how much? 50 degrees. Okay. The next value how much it will come? 150 minus 50. 5. Now take out now 65 degrees. So here interior angle how much? Here 65 degrees. Okay. Now similarly next one, here also we are having one diagram. We have to find out the interior angle. Therefore according to the property, what is our formula? Measure of the exterior angle minus measure of the other interior opposite angle. Okay, the next value what will come? Measure of exterior angle. Here how much? 100 degrees minus the measure of other opposite side interior angle. How much? 70 degrees. The next value how much it will come? Here 30 degrees. Subtract 70 from 100 means 30 degrees only. No, so x value interior angle how much? Here 30 degrees. Okay, now third one, here also we have to find out interior angle x. See here altitude there. For example, see here PQR triangle there. Okay, see here R is perpendicular to QR and PR. PR also altitude there and QR also altitude there. If two sides are altitude means it is right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle means exactly how many degrees it will come here? 90 degrees. Okay, now use the property x is equal to measure of the exterior angle minus measure of the other opposite side interior angle. Other interior opposite angle. Okay, now x is equal to measure of exterior angle. How much here? 125 degrees. And here interior minus 90 degrees. Now subtract 125 minus 95. Now subtract how much it will come? 35 degrees. So here interior angle x value how much here? 35 degrees. Now next one, see here one triangle there, in the exterior angle also there and interior one angle there. We have to find out the other interior angle. From the properties, what is our formula? Therefore x is equal to measure of the exterior angle minus measure of the other interior opposite angle. Other interior opposite angle. Okay, means x is equal to measure of exterior angle how much? 120 degrees minus other opposite angle is 60 degrees. The next value how much it will come? 60 degrees. This is the interior value angle. Okay, this is the angle of interior side. Okay, now what is next one here? See next one, interior one angle there, outside exterior angle there. Now we have to find out interior angle. So what is the formula? Measure of the exterior angle minus measure of interior angle of opposite side. Okay, opposite angle. Now x value what will come? Exterior angle how much? 80 degrees minus interior angle 30 degrees. The next value how much it will come? 50 degrees. So interior angle is 50 degrees. Now next one, see here also we have to find out the interior angle. So therefore from x we have to find out. So measure of exterior angle minus measure of interior angle. Measure of the interior angle of opposite side. Opposite. Okay, now x equal to what is the exterior angle here? 75 degrees and interior angle is 35 degrees. The next value how much it will come? Subtract now 40 degrees. So interior angle is here 40 degrees. Okay, thank you students.